SnapBots.
Hi guys, my name is SnapBots. In this video I am going to show you how to withdraw your fund from Snap Wallet. As much as how to deposit, it is important to know how to withdraw. Here is the dashboard. Now you go to Snap Wallet. First, you must choose which coin you want to withdraw. From column is the place where you can choose it. When you click it, you will see drop-down menu. In this tutorial video, I will choose Snap. And the amount you would like to transfer. The amount you transfer should be more than minimum withdrawal. And fee is the transaction fee you should pay for this transaction. Get is the final amount the other party will receive. Now you have to choose external or internal. External should be ticked when you want to transfer your Snap outside of Snap Wallet, for example, other exchanges or another wallet. When you do external transfer, please keep in mind that you must input the recipient's address, which supports Snap too. If you input Bitcoin address or different cryptocurrency address, your coins might be lost. So it's very important sending address and receiving address must support the same kind of cryptocurrency. An internal should be ticked when you want to transfer within a Snap Wallet. For example, your friend has a Snap Wallet and you would like to transfer to your friend's SnapBots wallet, you can tick internal. Once you ticked external or internal, you need to input the recipient's address. And finally, you add 2FA code to submit. If you haven't set up 2FA, you first need to set up your 2FA for security reasons. Please click Activate 2FA. There is a separate video that shows you how to set up 2FA as well. Once you confirm this, your cryptocurrencies will be transferred immediately. And please note that, to transfer coins, your SnapBots account need to complete KYC. So if you haven't done KYC, please watch KYC video to follow the steps. See you guys on the next video.